Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, TheRealNesters, as you'll see at TheRealNesters, and today I'm welcoming you guys back for another unboxing and product review. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you know we like to bring you the latest cool products or share with you guys our little mini Christmases, as I like to call it, when we order products. And then here on this channel, the Thomas family, we reviewed them for you. And if you'd like to also check out our James and Crystal channel where we do vlogs. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we bringing y'all 2 YouTube channels. But today, I'm going to review this product. And if you like this product, check the link down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And follow us at TheRealNesters on Instagram. What's up, everybody? I'm Crystal TheRealNesters, and today I'm back with a video. Yay! I know y'all ain't seen me in a long time. It'd be rough out here on these YouTube streets. Y'all know how I go down. But anyway, so today I am unboxing one of my packages. I honestly don't know what this is. I'm assuming what this is. Because I have multiple packages coming, so y'all should be seeing multiple unboxings. But hopefully what I'm going to do with this video is we're going to unbox it and we're going to put it all together so y'all can actually see the final results, because as y'all can see, whatever's in there ain't put together. So I got my handy chandy knife here that my husband keep trying to steal from me. It's mine. He got grandpa knife. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, this should be EntryWay, what do you call them? It's a shoe, like a shoe chest. It should be the shoe chest. And I honestly don't know what brand it is. I just got what I liked. I could probably look up the description for y'all. Like I said, right now it's the unboxing of it. So y'all see how it comes. They packaged it really well. Yep, that's what this is. So here's my little bench.
Oh,
yay!
Yeah. That's a bench so you can sit down on it.
Yeah, wait a minute. Let me put this away. I don't want to cut nobody. Yeah, gotta put that away. So you're gonna see, I don't know, are we putting this together or are you gonna do this by yourself?
You're really good.
Alright. So this is all y'all get to see for now.
Yeah.
I hate to hurt y'all feelings, but this is all y'all get to see. It's to the finished results.
Yep, we're gonna do a couples build.
Super excited. We're making our own little mud area. Yeah, it feels good. That's the seat, and then it's everything else. Wait a minute, I can give y'all a little description on it. Cause how we gonna have an unboxing and y'all don't know what it is? So let me get online real quick and give y'all the description and who it's made by. I actually bought this off of eBay. Yes, I said eBay, cause you know everybody's a bit obsessed with Amazon these days, and all the packages come from Amazon. So, ladies and gentlemen, I know y'all said, why you weren't ready when you knew you was going to do this? Because I just walked in the door. So, this is, sorry, it's not being nice. Never want to work when you wanted to. And the color is called Black Walnut, which is actually darker than the other thing that we got, but it's okay. So I actually ordered this on eBay a couple of days ago. It is a 2-tier shoe bench EntryWay storage shoe rack. So let me say that for you one more time. It's a 2-tier shoe bench for your EntryWay with a shoe rack. So basically, you know, we learned that when you have a home, you really don't want people tracking around in your house with their shoes on, honestly. Now, some people is nice and gracious enough to have extra socks and slippers, whatever the preference after. But you should have people stop at your door and drop their shoes in your home because of germs. Y'all know that C word is out there, and just all together, a whole bunch of other stuff. So we're gonna have a nice little entryway set up where they can put their shoes, they can sit down and take them off, they can sit down and put them back on before they go. Y'all gonna see that in the next part of this video. Until then. All right, ladies and gentlemen, do y'all know what today is? It is time for Couples Fix It Up Day. Yes, that's right, sir. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. We do things different. You know, everybody got their unboxing, but we doing it different. We gonna unbox it and put it together and show y'all the finished result. So this is our entryway bench. And then the hubby thinks he wants to do fast forward montage. That's so y'all don't hear us fussing at each other. Because we kind of don't work well together. Anyway, which way you want this thing, little baby? This way? Yeah. All right, we get ready to see what happens, ladies and gentlemen. What's up, everybody? So what had happened was, y'all know how these cameras play with us, right? But anyway, so we are wrapping up this video. We're letting y'all see our entryway little shoe thingy here. Y'all seen all the wonderful time me and the hubby spent together trying to put this thing together. So it has a nice little cushion. You can put your shoes right there. It actually had 2 shelves, but we wasn't feeling it, so the hubby took one out because it really was not large enough. See right there? And then it got 2 little drawers here. Put your little shingers in. And that's it for this video. As always, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for spending quality time with us. I'm Crystal Real Nester, and behind that camera is my wonderful husband, James Real Nester. And you know what we like for y'all to do. Give us some
thumbs up on this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share us out so that other people can come and spend quality time with us. And that'll be the end of this video. See you on the next one. Peace.